Welcome to our virtual open house of 11949 Wolf Road, located in Nevada County. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,400 square foot home on 10.6 acres, and you're going to love it. So here we go. The living room obviously is light and bright. You can tell there's no additional lighting other than what you see. The whole house has a warm and cozy feel all the way through. The kitchen is especially large and very functional. Tile countertops, knotty pine cabinets. Looking out over the front yard is a large breakfast room with lots of storage, built-ins. And as we turn to head down the hallway, you'll see there's an old-fashioned wood-burning kitchen stove there, which is still fully functional and perfect for if the power goes out. It provides heat and the ability to cook. In the hallway, you can see there's plenty of storage drawers and cabinets for all the things that you need to put away. This room at the end makes a nice office or bedroom. Back down the hall, we're going to make our way into another one of the bedrooms here. Very light, also a good room for office. Down at the end of the hall, we have a full bath with a shower over a tub. Then into the master bedroom, which is a great large bedroom with lots of extra room beyond it. You've got a nice little sitting or exercise room there, just one step down, with windows that look out onto the backyard and a door to the patio. You can even see the vintage telephone hanging on the wall. There's a laundry area with full hookups for washer and dryer, a laundry sink, and a stall shower. Back through the house and out the breezeway door, there's actually still a fully functional walk-in refrigerator inside. And then a nice workshop and storage area beyond. Out the back of the breezeway, you can see there's a beautiful covered patio and a large backyard. This area is great for entertaining any time of the year. Even the hummingbirds like it. At the end of the patio is a hot tub. You can come and enjoy your coffee here in the morning or a cocktail in the evening. On the other side of the breezeway and down the hall, we have a Full bathroom with a stall shower. And on into the rest of the in-law quarters. Windows face the backyard, bring all that light and warmth in. Custom tile countertops and sinks. Freestanding electric range with hood. And it has its own heat source. Directly above that space is a large room that could be used for a bonus or game room, as well as another bedroom. It also has its own heat source. Beautiful knotty pine finishes all around. Looking out off of the front porch of the property, even though it's a cloudy day, you can see just how beautiful it is here. There's a separate detached garage and workshop, along with a barn and a couple of stalls for whatever animals you want to bring. The pastures are fenced and cross-fenced and also have irrigation available for them. We hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough of my Wolf Road listing. Please let me know if you have any other questions.